Hello everybody, today it's a beautiful day outside and tonight we make spaghetti Milanese. The spaghetti Milanese, what you need, I got the spaghetti over here and I got pecorino cheese, I got little garlic, butter, parsley, e basil, zafferano, pancetta, wine and chicken stock. Now, before we start, let me say something. Spaghetti alla Milanese, so you go the north Italy, make spaghetti Milanese one way. You go the south Italy, I come for south Italy, it make it change a little bit. Okay, I put the warm up my chicken stock. And I gotta use the zafferano right over here. Over here I use the pancetta, but I don't use no oil. Got the pancetta, it's already a little fat, and we start like this. Okay, now the pancetta, it really look good. And now we saute with the garlic. Okay, now we load this. Okay, now we put the pasta. This I gotta cook only for 4 minutes. Got the rest of the time I gotta take it out and cook it together with the chicken stock. Okay, we give a little turn of this pasta and we go. Okay, now the pasta we turn off. Okay, now the rest, you see, it's a nice al dente. Okay, now this, you gotta cook the rest of the time over here. Gotta put the chicken stock. And I gotta put some of the wine. All right. We make a nice turn with the pancetta. And now we gotta leave it finish cook. And we put the wine. Now it's like a half a cup. You see, the spaghetti, it's a nice al dente. Okay, you gotta finish the cook now. Okay, I put the soup, chicken stock with the zafferano. We start like this. Let's see, so I got enough. This, you see now, it's al dente. And like this, when you cook, it take all the chicken stock out and dry. You gotta cook like I cook it for 4 minutes. Now you gotta cook it for another 6 minutes. Now this is ready, and we put it right over here on the table. Okay, now we put the butter inside. The finish. Give it a turn, because now the pasta it's really, really hot. Okay, and then we got the cheese. Now we put a little parsley and basil, give a nice color. Okay, now it's the time I want to taste my pasta, my spaghetti Milanese. Oh, my spaghetti is so good. It's a really good taste. I want to say to everybody, salute e cincin ed everybody. A salute. Thank you very much. See you next time.